All right, let's talk GoHighLevel, but we're going to go way beyond just using it as a CRM. Today, we're turning it into a complete automated engine that handles your sales, your invoicing, and all your payments. The goal here is really simple, to get you paid, way faster and with a whole lot less effort.
So here's the game plan. We're going to break it down into 5 key stages. First, we'll talk about the big idea, the all-in-one promise of GHL. Then we'll get our hands dirty, laying the groundwork with the essential setup. After that, we'll build out your offers, open the doors for business, and finally, the best part, put that whole system on autopilot.
So let's kick things off with that core idea. I mean, why do so many people look at GoHighLevel and see something more than just a fancy contact list? Well, it's because it was designed from the ground up to be a complete operating system for your business.
You know, this quote from a user on Reddit just nails it. The whole point isn't to just add another tool to your collection. The dream is to build your entire sales and marketing department on one single unified platform.
Think about it. Before something like GLL, so many businesses are just stuck in what I like to call tech stack chaos. You're juggling all these separate, expensive tools for every little thing. The solution is just so simple. Replace those tools, slash your costs, and build a stable, predictable, recurring revenue stream.
All right, let's get into the nitty-gritty. Before you can sell a single thing, you have to get the plumbing right. These next couple of steps, they are the absolute foundation for everything else we're going to do.
Okay, first things first, and I mean, you can't skip this. You have to connect a payment processor like Stripe or PayPal. It's super easy. You just handle it right inside your agency settings. Once you link up your account, that's it. Your entire GHL system is officially open for business and ready to accept payments. It's the critical first domino.
Next up, something called the API domain. Now, this might seem like a small technical step, but trust me, the impact is huge. By setting this up, every single link the system generates, whether it's for a calendar booking or an invoice payment, is branded to your domain. This builds instant trust and makes sure your emails actually land in the inbox, not the spam folder.
So, with that foundation solidly in place, we can move on to the fun part. It's time to actually create the products and services you're going to be selling to the world.
And this is where the flexibility of GHL really shines. You can create simple one-time products, you can set up recurring monthly or even annual subscriptions, you can build out these really sophisticated sales funnels with order bumps and one-click upsells, and of course, you can sell access to your digital courses and memberships all right inside the platform. And you can also create some really powerful incentives to get people to act. I mean, you want to run a Black Friday special? Easy. Create a coupon. What if you want to give members of your free community a special discount on a new course? You can set up custom pricing just for them. It's all built in.
All right, your system is connected, your products are built and ready to go. Now, how do you actually get the money from your client's pocket into yours? Let's look at the main ways you can do this.
So here's the deal. It's all about choosing the right tool for the right job. If you're doing high-touch, custom services, or big B2B retainers, direct invoicing is perfect. It gives you that personal, flexible touch. But if you're selling a standardized product, like an online course or an ebook, a sales funnel gives you a completely automated, hands-off checkout that can scale to the moon.
And this is where you really start to see the magic happen, when you combine these payment tools with automation. Check this out. With text-to-pay, you can automatically fire off a payment link via SMS. This makes it ridiculously easy for your customers to pay you instantly, right from their phone.
And don't forget, especially for those bigger B2B sales, GHL isn't just about sending that final bill. You can manage the entire client onboarding process right inside the client portal. Everything from sending the initial proposal and estimate to getting that all-important contract signed.
Okay, this is where things get really, really cool. This is where we go from just collecting payments to truly automating your revenue. We're talking about a system that makes sure your business gets paid on time every single time without you having to lift a finger to chase anyone down.
Ugh, it's the worst, right? It's a massive headache for any business that relies on subscriptions. A failed payment can lead to churn, lost revenue, and in the past, it meant you had to send those awkward manual follow-up emails. Well, not anymore. Using a simple workflow, you can build a little automated robot to handle this for you. As soon as a payment fails in Stripe, it kicks off this sequence. Boom! An immediate email goes out with a link to update their card. We wait a few days, then a friendly SMS reminder. And if they still don't pay, you can even have it automatically revoke their membership access to protect your content. Now let's really push the boundaries here.
That was a reactive automation. It fixed a problem. What about a proactive one that handles a really complex, custom sale from the very beginning to the very end?
Just imagine this for a second. A potential client fills out a super detailed survey on your website. A workflow instantly sends that data to an external tool. There, some AI logic crunches the numbers and calculates a custom quote. That quote gets sent back into GoHighLevel, which then automatically creates and sends a beautiful email with their personalized proposal and a payment link. Zero human intervention required. It's incredible.
Whew, we have covered a ton of ground, from the most basic setup all the way to some seriously advanced automation. So, after all that, what's the one single thing you should walk away with?
The most crucial thing is this. You have to stop thinking of GoHighLevel as just a CRM. It's not. It's a complete financial operating system for your business. It's an engine that's designed to create your offers, collect your payments, and automate your revenue from the very first hello to the final sale.
See, when you set up these systems, you're not just getting paid more efficiently. You're buying back your most valuable asset, your time. So the real question to leave you with is this. With a business that's starting to run itself, what's the next big problem you're going to solve?